engine air filter on my 2017 Mercedes Metris 2-liter turbo. So first thing, get the hood open. Gather yourself some tools here. I really love these OEM tools. 4-volt lithium-ion drills. They just really work amazing. So I got a 7mm deep socket here to remove the clamp. And then I have a Torx that is a T25. So it's a T25, and then you can get a flathead screwdriver, or you could get a nut driver. And then I got a little mini flathead screwdriver to pop this clip off. So make sure before you get into doing all this that you got the right air filter. And this is a MAL, this is a German brand, LX3031. Get all these 3 screws out here, okay? So you could just get these loose. And they stick in there so they're not going to come flying out. And then get a little mini flathead screwdriver, and then the air temperature sensor here, you'll stick it in here, and there's a little tab under there, and then you can just push back on the sensor wiring and get that off. Okay? And then get your other fancy OEM tools, lithium-ion drill. These things are about 20 bucks at AutoZone. Pretty cool. I got 2. So just get this clamp off here and get this boot back here, get it off. And then your housing for the air cleaner should come right off. Obstruction free, should just pull right out of there. And this one's got about 12,000 miles on it. And it's really not that dirty, but I've already got the new filter, and I've had this van for almost 3 years now, since I bought it new, so I'd like to put a new one in it. So get that out of the way, and if you notice any major big stuff in there, vacuum it out. So I'm going to stick the new filter in now, and the way this filter is shaped is the same all the way around, so it doesn't matter how you put it in, like this end over here or this end over here, it doesn't matter. You just want to put the long end, the filter end, down towards the engine. And if you don't put it on that way, then the top cover isn't going to go on. So then you'll know that you got it on wrong because the cover won't go on properly. So then you just make sure that you fit your little teeth in here on the back into those little slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the screws will line up, and then you can put them back in. So as you're sliding this air filter box top piece back on in those 4 teeth in the back, you'll know you got it lined up because the boot, it'll get real close to where the boot can go on easily. And then all your screws will line up and everything will just fit and fall into place as smooth as butter. Everything will line up and everything will just seat down properly, and you won't have any issues. You'll just feel it click in other words. So hook up your boot here and tighten up this clamp. Connect your air temperature sensor back in. Tighten up your 3 screws here. Go a little bit in the middle. A little bit to the left, a little bit over here, and it's not critical that you do it this way, but it just gets it all kind of getting tight evenly. What I really like about these 4-volt OEM tools, little pistol drills, is that they're real easy to rock back and forth your direction, and they're real little, and they don't over tighten anything. Especially like hose clamps or these little bitty screws like this. These are really nice to have, and they work great. I recommend them.